In the quiet corners of an old kitchen where sunlight dances on the floor lies a secret to long life passed down through generations of my family. These are not just mere ingredients found in a pantry, but a sacred vessel of health and vitality that my grandmother cherished above all else. This simple jar of green kernel black beans soaked in vinegar is a golden remedy for the kidneys and liver, essential for a long and healthy life. The secret lies within the green heart of these beans, a potent sign of their medicinal power according to the ancient wisdom of oriental medicine. This is the hakchima of legend, a bean variety that targets the kidneys to restore strength, brighten the eyes, and keep the back strong. By nourishing our internal organs with nature's gifts, we can maintain the vigor of youth even as the years pass by with grace and dignity. To create this elixir, we must start with the finest ingredients, selecting only the most perfect beans that are free from any defects or damage. The second essential element is traditional rice vinegar, naturally fermented to a sharp, fragrant perfection that acts as a powerful catalyst for the beans. We also include slices of aged ginger, chosen for its warming properties to balance the coolness of the beans and promote healthy blood circulation. Every vessel must be perfectly clean and dry, for even a single drop of moisture or impurity can ruin the entire batch of this medicine. The preparation begins with a gentle washing, rinsing away the dust of the fields, while treating each bean with the respect it truly deserves. We discard any bean that floats to the surface, as only the heavy, nutrient-dense ones are worthy of becoming part of this health-giving recipe. Patience is a key ingredient in this process. The beans must be spread out carefully to breathe and dry completely under the soft breeze. If the beans remain damp when we begin the roasting process, they will lose their potency and the final product will quickly spoil and rot. Allow nature to take its time. The slow evaporation of moisture ensures that the heart of the bean remains intact for the coming heat. Only when the beans are as dry as the wooden tray they rest upon can we move to the most critical stage of the process. The transformation begins with fire. A cast iron pan is heated slowly over a gentle flame, preparing to receive the raw beans into its warmth. As the beans hit the pan, they begin to dance. This is the moment where we awaken the medicinal properties hidden deep within their green kernels. One must stir constantly and with great care. The heat must reach the very center of the bean without scorching the delicate outer skin. Listen for the soft cracking sound. When the skins begin to pop open, it is a sign that the beans are being perfectly transformed by fire. The aroma fills the air, a deep, earthy scent that signals the removal of the beans' raw coldness, making it easy for the body to absorb. After 20 minutes of careful roasting, we allow the beans to rest and cool down naturally, letting the heat settle into their very cores. A well-roasted bean should be brittle and crisp. This texture is the hallmark of a successful preparation, ensuring the nutrients are ready for extraction. Now we begin the assembly. Layering the warm roasted beans with the fresh ginger slices creates a beautiful harmony of temperature and healing energy. Fill the jar with intention, keeping the proportions balanced so that every bean will eventually be touched by the power of the vinegar's acidity. Slowly pour the vinegar until it covers the beans completely. Watch as the liquid seeps into every crevice, starting the process of deep extraction. The vinegar acts as a key, unlocking the amino acids and minerals from the beans, turning a simple food into a potent medicinal concentrate. Seal the jar with a breathable cloth and a firm knot. This allows the mixture to mature without being completely cut off from the environment. Store the jar in a cool place, away from direct sunlight, for 7 to 10 days. Time will do the work we cannot do ourselves. As the days pass, the beans will drink the vinegar, expanding and softening as they absorb the essence of the grains and the warming ginger. When the wait is over, you will find the beans transformed. They are now dark, shiny gems, filled with the power to heal and restore. Just 2 or 3 spoonfuls a day, taken after your main meal, is all that is required to begin your journey toward better health. Make this a daily ritual, a moment to honor your body and the traditions that have kept our ancestors strong for hundreds of years. Experience the change as your kidneys grow stronger, providing the foundation for solid bones, flexible joints, and a back that never tires. The liver, nourished by the bean's essence, will help clarify your vision, removing the fog from your eyes and letting you see the world clearly. Even your hair will show the benefits, retaining its natural color and strength as your internal vitality radiates outward for all to see. This remedy is also a friend to the heart, helping to maintain a balanced blood pressure and keeping your circulation smooth and effortless. Witness the joy of a life lived without the burden of constant fatigue or the aches that often come with the passage of time. This is more than a recipe. It is a legacy of care, a way to ensure that our children and grandchildren can also live long, healthy lives. I invite you to bring this ancient wisdom into your own kitchen. It is a small effort for a reward that is truly beyond measure. Take a moment to breathe, to heal, and to appreciate the simple ingredients that nature provides for our well-being every single day. May you find peace and longevity in every jar. Please share this gift with those you love, and may your journey be filled with health. Remember that health is a garden that must be tended daily. Start your journey with these humble black beans and feel the difference today. The wisdom of the past is our greatest guide for the future. Let us not forget the simple things that keep our bodies in balance. Every step is an act of love. From the selection of the bean to the final seal on the jar, we prepare for a better life. Connecting back to the earth is the first step toward true healing. These beans are a bridge between the soil and our very souls. Roast them with intention. Stir them with grace. The energy you put into the preparation is the energy your body will receive in return. Choose the best vinegar you can find. It is the lifeblood of this recipe, the medium that carries the bean's power into your system. Teaching our children these ways is the only way to keep the tradition alive. Let them see that medicine can come from the kitchen. Ancient texts have spoken of these beans for centuries. Today, we bring that knowledge into the modern world to help us all thrive. A beautiful seal for a beautiful remedy. It is now ready to rest and gather the strength it will soon offer to your body. As the moon cycles through the sky, the beans quietly transform, getting better with every passing hour of the long, cool nights. Morning light brings new hope. Soon, the 10 days will be over and the medicine will be ready to serve its noble purpose. Care for your medicine as you would care for a living thing. The environment must be just right for the magic to happen. One bean at a time, we build our health. It is the consistency of the habit that brings the greatest changes to our lives. Good health is best enjoyed with others. Share your beans and share your stories, for a happy heart is the best medicine of all. Look closely at the detail. The vinegar has permeated the skin, bringing the minerals to the surface for your body to easily use. Nourish from within to shine. On the outside, your hair and skin will thank you for the deep minerals found in every bite. Keep a record of your batches. Each one is a step toward a longer life, a testament to your commitment to your own health. Even in the darkness, the medicine is working. Trust the process and trust the wisdom that has been tested by time itself. Cleanliness is the foundation of all good medicine. Start with a pure heart and pure ingredients for the best possible results. Nature speaks to us in many ways. The rustle of the leaves and the rattle of the beans are all part of the same song. From the earth comes the strength to heal. The ginger root brings the heat of the sun into our cooling bean remedy. Hold your health in your hands. This jar is a promise you make to yourself to live every day with strength and clarity. As another day concludes, we look forward to a future filled with vitality. The journey of longevity is a beautiful path to walk. Take this final bite and know that you are doing something wonderful for your body. The path to longevity starts right here. Thank you for joining me in this tradition. May you and your family be blessed with many years of health and happiness. Don't forget to share this secret with those you love. Together, we can keep the flame of traditional health burning bright forever.